Today I'll show you how to install the AcadEx app on your phone, on your home screen for quick access, to save the stress of going to the web each time you want to log into your dashboard. You can actually install AcadEx app on your phone for easy access. It will be on your home screen like your WhatsApp, your TikTok, your Instagram. So the AcadEx app will appear on your home screen. You will just click on it anytime you want to log into your dashboard. So as you have always been doing, to access the AcadEx platform, you go through the web and then you type in AcadEx. You type AcadEx. Alright, so that's AcadEx Cognitive. This is it here. You click to enter. Alright, so let's wait for it to load. Alright, and here we are. This is the best platform that prepares students for any exam at all in Cameroon and within the CEMAC zone. Any exam at all, this is the best platform. So I'm saying the best because it has top quality courses, it has well trained and certified qualified teachers, and it has top preparatory materials like notes, textbooks, past questions and answers, pamphlets, preparatory materials, examination tips and guides, everything. And the motto of this institution is discipline, integrity, excellence. But not to talk much, let me go straight to the point. I want to show you how to add this on your home screen. So first of all, you can see some three vertical dots, right? Look right up here. Okay, I'll circle it. Good. So these three vertical dots, you click on it, the dots. Let's go ahead and click. All right, so this is where it takes us to, and now you will see add to home screen. Add to home screen. Can you see that? Add to home screen. So we are going to click on add to home screen, and then now we have an this is what we are going to do: install. Okay, so you are going to install the AcadEx app. Installing. All right, so once installed, in fact, you're going to receive a notification. It doesn't take up to 5 seconds to install, so it's already installed. All right, the AcadEx app is already installed on your home screen. So let's go now and check it. Like I said, before I go there, you can see this is the best platform that prepares students for any exam at all. Any exam at all. So you can see the many testimonials from students. This is the former student of GBHS Galim, former student of Seka Baptist College, former student. This is Mehulu in Yaoundé, GBTHS Mehulu. This now is a student from Enam, a graduate from Enam, Emmanuel from GBHS Moliko, and so on. St. Austin College, we got a lot of testimonials from students who have passed through AcadEx. So we got thousands of students who have used AcadEx as a pathfinder to their success, their career development, and so on. So now let's just go to the home screen and you'll see the AcadEx app installed. Okay, this is it. So this is AcadEx app installed on your home screen. You can see that here. This is AcadEx app. So anytime you want to visit the platform, instead of searching on the web or clicking on the link provided, you can simply click on this app and it opens. But if you still prefer to access the platform through the web, there is no issue. You can continuously use the platform like that. You can continuously access the platform through the web. If you also prefer to access the platform through the link, you can continuously access the platform through the link. But here is to save the stress. You can simply give a click. Let's go ahead and click. And here we are already. So this is how to install the AcadEx app on your home screen. Yes guys, and here is it. This is the best platform so far that prepares students for any exam at all. Any exam, career development, concours preparation, all with top-notch quality lessons and preparatory materials like books, textbook, pamphlets, past questions and answers, revision guides, and so on. And then guys, I'll leave you with our AI friends who are going to tell you some more details about AcadEx Cognitive. So let's listen to their conversation.
Hey, are you looking to boost your academic game? I stumbled upon AcadEx Cognitive, and it seems pretty interesting. Prep classes starting soon in January 2026. Can you tell me more?
Certainly. AcadEx Cognitive aims to empower learners for success in GCE, concours, IT, and career development. They emphasize discipline, integrity, and excellence.
Okay, so it's like a one-stop shop for online resources. What kind of courses are we talking about here?
Right. AcadEx boasts over 20 online courses and certifications taught by top instructors. Plus, they've got a strong membership base. It seems their students are quite satisfied with the courses.
Satisfied how? Are there any success stories or something?
Yes, indeed. One former student attributes their successful entrance into Caltech to AcadEx. They passed the concours on their first try. It seems the website shares the contact information if you want to learn more. AcadEx Cognitive really positions itself as a place to start your future.
That sounds promising. Thanks.
Wow, that's powerful. In fact, when it comes to exam preparation in Cameroon and within the CEMAC zone, AcadEx is number one. Top quality lessons, well qualified and certified tutors, well structured lesson curriculum, and top student assistance services. We make online classes to feel like the real physical classroom, where teachers interact with learners in group and one-on-one. Our lecturers care more about success, and that is why they do not only teach, but we keep on feeding the aspirants with knowledge, feeding you with knowledge, with a lot of care until success comes. It was nice being with you. This is Sir Godwill Yakum, the President Founder and the Chief Empowerment Officer of AcadEx Cognitive. We shall see again, and for now, bye.